kids, it's a beautiful day. Let's learn colors. Turquoise. A turquoise monster truck school bus. A turquoise surprise egg. Yay! Turquoise. What's next? Purple. We love surprise eggs. A purple monster truck school bus. Yay! Purple. Yeehaw! A purple surprise egg. Purple. Another surprise egg. What's next? Orange. My favorite color. An orange surprise egg. Yay! Orange. What's next? Blue. Blue. A blue surprise egg. Yay! That was fun. Let's do it again. Yeehaw! Blue. Blue. Yay! Repeat after me. Turquoise. Turquoise. Purple. Purple. Orange. Orange. Blue. Blue. Well done, kids. Click subscribe and join our community. It's for free. See you at the next lesson.